Hi everyone, my name is Vishnu. Today is the 2nd of June 2024. I'll be going over week 23's results for the SPY front testing strategy, the days open, previous day close strategy. So without further ado, let's just get into it. This week started on the 28th, so we made a loss of 927.82. Actually, I'm just going to read out the percentages of 0.088%, bringing our alpha down to minus 3.775%. The 29th of May, we had another loss of 0.082%, bringing our alpha further up to minus 3.157%, since the SPY made a loss of minus 0.7 as well. So now then we made a profit of 0.361%, bringing our cumulative portfolio return up to 7.329%. Alpha went down to alpha went up to minus 2.132%, and the final day of the week we made the biggest profit of the week at $7,737.66, which is a 0.718% profit, and that brought our alpha down again a little bit to minus 2.324%, since SPY made positive 0.911% that day. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.